Instead of cracking sunflower seed one by one, watch this. You will never peel them the same way again. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to peel off sunflower seed using 4 super easy and effective methods you can try right at home. Whether you're a snack lover or prepping seed for recipes, this tip will save your time and keep your seed perfect. Let's get started. And now for our first method, we are going to be using nail cutter. Grab a nail cutter and sunflower seed. Place the seed in the nail cutter. Then twist the cutter and in a snap it cracks. Then peel to remove the seed from it. Next, transfer into a collecting bowl and set aside. This is quite easier than using your teeth or nail to crack and peel them. And now to the second method. We are still going to be using the nail cutter, but this time it is part of the body of the nail cutter, this side of it. Go ahead and place a seed on it and then twist and again the seed crack. Next, peel to remove the seed from it and transfer into a collecting bowl. And now to the third method. We are going to be using mortar and pestle. Add some of the sunflower seed to the mortar and let's begin to rub the pestle over the seed inside the mortar, not with too much force so that the seed doesn't break. As you do this, the sunflower seed begins to crack and peel. As you can see, it has already started peeling. And after a few minutes, transfer the seed from the mortar into a tray and then winnow to separate the shell from the seed. And after winnowing, this is how they look like. As you can see, there are still some that are not peeled yet. And now we will separate the peeled ones from the ones that are not peeled. And after separating them, transfer them into the collecting bowl once again and set aside. And now to the fourth method. In this method, we are going to be using sack bag. Transfer some of the sunflower seed to the sack bag and wrap tightly. And next begin to heat the seed in the bag with a wooden stick. After doing this for some time, open and transfer into a tray to winnow. After winnowing, separate the peeled from the unpeeled. And after separating them, add to the collecting bowl once again. And that is it. 4 quick and easy ways on how to peel sunflower seed without the mess. Which method will you try first? Let me know in the comments. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more kitchen hacks and I will see you in the next one.